Hi, and welcome back to R&Y Inside Learning Hub. This is Sumit Chaudhary, and you are watching the Java series. Today, we are focusing on updating existing Excel file using JXL library. We have already covered how to create a new Excel file, write data into it, and read data from the file. So I'm opening my our existing project where we are did all those things. As you can see, we have already covered all those. Okay. Uh, now, in the place of Eclipse, I'm using IntelliJ. Okay, IntelliJ is more advanced and more comfortable ID. You can use it, or you can continue with Eclipse. Okay, so now I'm creating a new file, Excel file. Okay, and creating some data. Name and mobile number. Okay. And one something else. And the second data is Amit. And okay, and is it okay? Now I'm going to save this file. Okay. I have uh, might be 19 version of the Excel file, Excel software. Okay. So I am getting some different option. Okay. In your case, you get some different option. Okay. If you have problem, then you can comment on my YouTube on this video. So I am trying to resolve your issue if you face. Okay, so now you please say for JXL uh, file. Please say use this, save the file as a JXL. Okay, by default is the save as XLS. Okay. Now create Excel file. Please make sure close the file or run the Java code. Okay. As well, we if not, then we will get an error. Okay. Now make file is getting okay. Now we have create the file. Create a class uh, update Excel existing Excel file. Now call a workbook class from the XLS JXL library. Okay. So I just click on the control and space, so the required library get imported. Okay. you can import manually by clicking on this import class. Okay, from the Excel. Okay, now create a variable of this class dot get workbook. Okay, new file. Okay, from java.io. We have already covered how we can handle the file in the text file. I hope you have watched the earlier video. If not, then I'm requesting you please watch. You can understand the today's topic properly. Okay. Now I'm copy the file path. Right click on it and copy the path and copy the content root path. Okay. Now I'm saving in the variable string file path excel file path. Okay. Now I'm adding file path. So as soon as we use this, then we get an exception. So for now, I'm uh, exception. Okay. Okay. Now we have write table workbook class. Okay, to write a data. Okay, and copy data variable of it. Create a file. Okay, file. So provide existing file path. Okay. Now to get a row, this will sorry, we have not create a uh, object to create a sheet. Okay, get row. So this method will help to get a empty row. Help to get empty row. One more thing, why we are understanding the JXL library. That's because JXL library is basic. We will go in advance with Apache Py. Okay, so we will get a advanced method mechanism to handle Excel file. Okay, now I am going to add a data using a label class. Object. Now we have a roll number column. Okay, so new table rows. Okay, now as you can see, I have saved the data the two roll number second column. I'm- Okay. and now I'm going to copy this to save our time. Okay, and name and mobile number. Now, and we have our first column, second column, and third column. As index is starting from the zero, we have already discussed all of this. I'm not going on the deep depth. Okay. Uh, uh, Akash, and mobile number is 78858. Random number. Now, uh, in the sheet, we have to add this data. Sheet, add cell, and roll number. Add accept. It right accept. You can add try catch or handle the exception. We have already covered the how we can handle the exception. Okay, for now I'm not going on the handling the exception. Okay, okay. Now I have add the all my data in uh, sheet. Now write will write the data. Uh, Now close, have to close the data file, and we have to close the workbook as well. Okay. Now, uh, now I'm writing the message to indicate that our data is successfully updated. Your Excel file update. Which, okay, now I'm going to close this file. We have only two data as of now. Assuming this. Oh, okay, we have already the two data: roll number, name, and mobile. This, and now, yeah, without any error, we updated the data. Now I'm going to open the file. Okay, as you can see, our new data is getting updated. Now I'm run again for new data, and uh, 9856 successfully updated. You can see. Now, if we trying to update the data with the open file and get an error, if we have opened the file, okay, and now try to run the class. As you can see, we get an exception. Okay, exception in thread main because properly seen that this process cannot access the file because it's being used by another process. Okay, that's why I'm saying that please close the file. This is a, uh, default setting of the JXL or Apache POI. We will discuss the Apache POI library. This is a default message. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Thanks for watching. Hope you understand the concept. Okay. In the coming video, I will explain how can copy the data uh, from the file, from the first file, and paste on the uh, next file, the another file. Okay. Thanks for watching.